Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add your shipping address to the Abercrombie application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then tap on the account button down below and scroll down to the shipping address button. Add the default shipping address as it says. You should wait a few seconds till it loads in, and then you will be able to save your address by clicking on the add new address button down below. Then you should add your country. Here you can search for it or choose from these ones, and then you should add your first name and your last name, then your address, as well as your city and your postal code. Then click on the add address button down below to save the details, and you will find it at this section. If you want to edit it anytime, you can do it, and basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.